You are the godfather of this world, and we are forever blessed and grateful that you choose us to look after for you. Blessed and grateful that we got to feel your aura, your powerful energy, and got to know you from so close. It's been 7 years of worshipping you, praying you, taking care of you, and adoring you. And between those, we made mistakes. And even if we wanted to, we could not be able to give you that right, satisfied place to stay. And definitely, the attachment with you that developed in these 7 years is just unexplainable. So as you said, you want to be in a peaceful place with a happy heart. We did that too. Well, there was a very painful moment, but we know we will come back soon. Until then, we are waiting for the right time and you. Om Namah Shivaya.